to the first special feature in the class. So this is a little blurb, only 2 minutes long, on regression. So these regression problems will show up on all of your labs and your project, and the skill is needed on Excel so that you can produce the graphs and functions that are needed for calculations and so on. So the way you do it is, what regression is you have a whole bunch of data for whatever you observed, and then you want to find the function that fits through those data points the best possible way. Doing that by hand will take hours and hours and hours. Luckily, if you have Excel, or you can download the OpenOffice free thing, you can have this done in a matter of seconds. So I'm just going to come up with whatever kind of data. Let's say I collected whatever. This is some kind of data. All right, whatever. We're going to have X values as 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't matter. We can put 11 on the bottom as well. So I'll put 11. And on the Y values, you have whatever. It could be money, could be whatever, temperatures, doesn't matter. So we're going to come up with some kind of values there. So I just typed the random numbers. Yeah, it's increasing function, but it's not. Doesn't fit linear or anything like that. So now here we go. You select all the cells. You press on insert. And over here you have this scatter plot, which is only dots. That will give you something that looks like this. And it's important to take the one that only has dots so they're not connected in any way. Because you are going to use this feature now. You right-click on any of these dots. And second from the bottom says Add Trend Line. Opens up a menu on the right. And all of the functions that we are going to study in this course in Precalculus 1 are listed there. Exponential function in Chapter 3, linear function Chapter 1, logarithmic function Chapter 3, all of the polynomial functions from squared, cubed, all the way to the 6th power, that's Chapter 2. And then these others we don't need. So now, let's say you want the best fit polynomial function of the 4th order, maybe. You will click on polynomial, and you will click on number 4. And as you can see, it fills in the best fit line through all of the points. And all you need to do is, if you look at again at the menu all the way on the bottom, second from the bottom says display equation. Check that off, and it gives you the equation of the 4th order. So this one says negative 0.1389 next to the 4th plus 3 right? So it gives you the equation, and then you can keep using that equation to compute for whatever other value needs to be computed. So, and that's it. That's the end of the story. So you type in the values of X, type in the values of Y next to them. Make sure you have the same amount of them. And then select them all. Do the scatter plot. Open up the trend line by right-clicking one of the points. Pick what you need from the list. And all of these problems, as I said, maybe half of your grade from labs and a project depends on this skill. So make sure you know this. And this will be also available in the folder for Precalc on the YouTube channel. Bye, stream.